Okay, live. Okay.
Hey y'all, it's Michelle with Southern Inspirations. Happy Saturday afternoon. As promised, we are here to talk about spatchcock chicken. So I have a little confession to make with my friend BJ. BJ and Jackie Thayer are my very good friends from Madison, Mississippi, and they came to visit us in Maumelle this weekend. And so BJ loves to cook as much as I do. And so we were talking about grilling out. We've had a pool day all day, and we were talking about grilling out this afternoon after being at the pool. I said, well, so what are you thinking? Steak, chicken, hamburgers? And he told me this later. He's like, I'll throw her here. He responds back with spatchcock chicken. And I'm like, what the heck? So here we are making spatchcock chicken, and many of you commented, thank you. Yesterday afternoon we were sitting here and I put a little comment out, have you heard of it? And I absolutely love the feedback. But this will be my very first time to be a part of spatchcock chicken.
Fun word.
I have to say it like, yeah, it's a fun word. So BJ, thank you so much for teaching me. Doesn't he just look dapper in his like chef coat here, you know, his little emerald? So BJ is going to show y'all what spatchcock chicken even means. What that means, he's going to go through that process and talk about the seasonings a little bit. And then we're going to talk about what we're having as our side dishes. We're doing roasted potatoes and asparagus wrapped in bacon and this marvelous salad that my friend Jennifer makes, because Marty and Jennifer from around the corner are here with us. And Jennifer makes this salad, and the secret is Cavender's. So if you want that recipe later, just ping me for that and we'll get that recipe to you. And then we're gonna get over here. Tim is doing a fabulous job of wrapping the asparagus in bacon. He's like hard at it. And Betty, his beautiful wife, is just supporting him all the way, going, baby, you just wrap that asparagus in some bacon. So we are having fun, pool party and cooking. So without further ado, BJ, you are up to tell us all about the chicken.
All right, spatchcock chicken.
All right.
Everybody wants to know about what does that mean. All it means is we're going to take the backbone out of this chicken. We're going to take a good sharp knife, come in on the one side of the backbone, cut the skin back down and give you a good place to start. Peel that back like that. If some of you have had a beer can chicken, this is basically the same way we're going to do it. We're going to put it on the grill at about 320 degrees and cook it till the internal temperature of the thigh reaches 165. But a beer can chicken is a little bit different in that the chicken is sitting up on top of a beer can. And really, in my opinion, if you're gonna, the ingredients you put inside of a beer can and the flavorings, the grill when you're smoking a chicken never gets hot enough for those flavors to go inside the chicken. This way, what we're going to do is we're going to take this backbone out, and I'm cutting down both sides of that backbone, and these shears are perfectly sharp, wonderful.
All right, Brad.
And that comes in. That's all we do is have a backbone chicken like that. To pull it out,
okay.
And then we're going to come into where the breast is, and you've got a little bit of cartilage right there, cartilage. So we're just going to put a slight cut in there and pop that baby open just like that. What this does, the chicken will lay on the grill and cook totally evenly from your wings, your breast, your thighs, and your legs. There's no part of the chicken that won't be cooked more or less than the other part of the chicken. We're going to, like I said, when we put it on the grill though, we're going to insert a temperature probe into the thigh. The thigh is one of the slowest cooking pieces because there's a lot of fat in it. But when that thigh hits 165 degrees, this entire chicken is going to be cooked to perfection. All right, first thing we're going to do is take a little bit of olive oil.
Do you need a brush, BJ?
I'm going to use my hand.
Don't use your hand. All right.
So we're going to take a little
You wash
olive oil.
those hands now.
I sure did.
All right.
Actually, I did. And I'm going to rub enough oil on the outside of the skin and again on the inside of the chicken. And you can see we've cleaned the chicken out of everything that you get at the grocery store. They leave the neck and the heart and the gizzard. We've taken all that out so the chicken's clean as a whistle. All right, little paper towel here. Easy peasy. and a little bit of.
This is the best seasoning, y'all. This is fajita seasoning. This is the best stuff. I get it from Texas. And use it a lot in tacos and fajitas. Yeah, so just lots of different flavors in there.
Fajita chicken.
Fajita chicken.
And we're going to do the exact same thing to 2 other birds, not because we've got a good crowd with us.
Yep.
But we're going to do a Cajun seasoning on those. So we're going to.
And you're being pretty generous with that.
Very generous.
You want to get a good bit of seasoning on there.
Very generous.
Okay.
All right. Lay that back over. Again, with our seasoning, we're going to coat it very well. And again, make sure, it's as simple as it gets, is to make sure that your internal temperature on a 350, 320 degree grill will hit 165 degrees. We're going to throw the skin side down for about 15 minutes on that grill, then flip it over and let it cook for another probably 30 to 40 minutes on the bone side down. And at that time, it should be ready. All right, let's see what Timmy's doing over there.
Yeah. So Tim is making our asparagus wrapped in bacon. This is just a couple of nice size bundles of fresh baby asparagus. I like the baby asparagus the best myself. It's personal preference. But we've got that wrapped in bacon. And obviously you can do this on the grill or in the oven. We are probably going to do it in the oven tonight because we've got 3 birds to put on the grill. And so we'll probably do this in the oven, but I'll probably do some salt and pepper and some garlic. Some of that's personal preference too, but we all know, and y'all know if you've been watching me long enough, you know, you just can't go wrong with bacon. So anything wrapped in bacon, right, gives pretty good flavor. So Tim's about to wrap that up. And then over here, we have just some good red potatoes that I've diced. I have 2 different pans because I like onion with mine, and because we're going to do some onion on the grill as well. And so I did one pan that is just diced, and it's just olive oil, kosher salt, pepper, and this has some thyme. I like some thyme. This pan, I left the onion and the thyme out. It just has my salt, pepper, and garlic. I'm not sure if I said garlic powder. Y'all know me and my garlic. I'm either using fresh garlic or garlic powder on almost everything. So that's our roasted potatoes. And then our salad, we'll show you later. Again, that's that amazing salad. And then, you know we gotta have dessert. So we have, wait for it, cheesecake, because Cheesecake Day, National Cheesecake Day was a few days ago. Well, hello, we can keep celebrating cheesecake. And then some key lime pie. So we'll have dessert to kind of finish all that up. It's going to be just an amazing meal. I'm very excited. So I have a question for BJ real quick. BJ, are we going to take these on out to the grill now, or are we going to kind of come back later?
We're going to take the chicken out to the grill, we'll put it on, and then we'll come back and show everybody the finished product.
Okay, so y'all follow us. We're going to kind of walk from the kitchen through my screened-in porch out to the grill. Brad has our grill at the right temperature, and y'all can see BJ put that chicken skin side down first. And then we're going to sign off for a minute, and then we'll come back again for just a real short. Here's our onions. Before we do that, here's our onions. We've pulled out the middle, and we've got nice little pats of butter, some Worcestershire. Did we put Slap Your Mama or Tony's?
Yeah.
Slap Your Mama. Those are going to go on the grill. That's going to be just an amazing side to go with that chicken, because I love me some onion and everything else. So, all right, let's head outside to the grill. All right, here we go. Oh, yeah, it's actually a green egg, yeah, because I don't know that it matters. You can do it on a regular grill, of course, but okay.
Thank you, Marty.
Here's the meat.
All right.
Look at that. Chef coat. 450 degrees.
Perfect.
Wow.
All right.
Marty is like, what?
Wow.
Okay, are we ready?
You come look, the grill's sitting at a perfect 350 degrees. Brad's done very well on that. Of course. The big green egg. I'm gonna lift that baby up. Now, Brad has purchased the grill grates, which is something that I recommend highly. These things get to temperature very fast. They cook perfectly. They cook your meat evenly, and really there's no mess with them. So, first thing we're gonna do, pick up this chicken, seasoned with the fajita seasoning, Skin side down. That's a good sizzle. Listen to that baby. Once this gets going for 15 minutes, what we'll do is we'll come back and we'll flip it bone side down, and then we're going to put the onions around it, cook those. Now we've got 2 other birds we're going to do. We're going to do the exact same thing we did with this, only we're going to put Cajun seasoning on it. So we're going to have
I
a
love
fajita
Cajun
chicken
seasoning.
and some Cajun seasoned chicken.
That's right. All those great seasons.
We'll be back and show y'all the finished product on a live video, probably about an hour, hour and a half.
Yeah. And yeah, we'll
Okay.
show y'all the finished product.
All right.
Thank you for watching. Live life, y'all.